Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and color fill. Kids, first color name: light pink color, sky blue color, yellow color, pink color, green color, red color, brown color and orange color. Kids, shapes drawing: green color, sun. Kids, sun. Triangle. Kids, triangle. Moon. Kids, moon. Hexagon. Cloud. Kids, cloud. Heart. Kids, heart. Color fill. Kids, sky blue color, sun. Sky blue color, sun. Light green color, triangle. Brown color. Kids, moon. Red color. Kids, red color. Kids, hexagon. Black color. Kids, cloud. Light pink color. Kids, heart. Kids, shapes name repeat: sun, triangle, moon, hexagon, cloud, heart. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.